Some scientists have suggested that choosing the right air purifying plants for your home can help detoxify the air in your living spaces. Meaning your houseplants not only look lovely but work a little harder to clean the air you breathe in. NASA's Clean Air study found that there are a number of air purifying plants that can detoxify your home. From the airborne toxins, dusts and germs that can be found in a variety of household products, materials and furniture. A follow-up study in 2019 confirmed that, to make a substantial difference to the air quality inside your home, you would need a large number of houseplants working together to clean the air. But, with houseplants becoming an interior design trend that looks like it's here to stay, we might as well choose one that will go some of the way to improve the air we breathe, if not all of it. To give your home a healthy breath of fresh air, here's our list of the best air purifying plants. 1. Barberton Daisy. As well as injecting a cheerful burst of red, yellow, orange or pink into your home, the Barberton Daisy is an effective cleanser of the toxins formaldehyde, trichloroethylene, and benzene. Found in a range of household materials from paints to synthetic fibers. 2. English Ivy. This easy-growing perennial vine is particularly effective at reducing airborne fecal particles, which makes it the perfect air purifying plant for your bathroom or ensuite. In addition, studies have shown that the ivy can also help combat mold levels in the home. 3. Snake plant. With this plant in your bedroom, you're in for a great night's sleep. Also known as mother-in-law's tongue, this yellow-tipped succulent releases oxygen at night, helping you to breathe better while sleeping. It is one of the best plants for filtering the air of formaldehyde, xylene, benzene, toluene, and trichloroethylene. 4. Chrysanthemum. Brighten up your kitchen or living room with a chrysanthemum. These pretty blooms help to filter out a host of toxins including ammonia and benzene, which is often found in plastics, detergents, and glue. 5. Spider plant. For those of you who are houseplant newbies, the resilient spider plant is the perfect choice. It will quietly battle toxins including carbon monoxide and xylene, a solvent used in the printing and rubber industries. If you have pets, this is one of the few houseplants that is non-toxic to animals. 6. Aloe Vera. A healing aloe plant is a lovely addition to your kitchen windowsill, as it loves a sunny spot. While being on hand to soothe any kitchen burns, this succulent will be purifying the air of formaldehyde and benzene. Found in varnishes, floor finishes, and detergents. 7. Broad Lady Palm. This is one of the few plants that can help reduce levels of ammonia that can be found in a range of cleaning products. They are expensive to buy fully grown, so you might want to shop around for a smaller one or start from seed. 8. Red-edged Dracaena or dragon tree. Trichloroethylene and xylene are amongst the pollutants fought by this spiky, slow-growing plant. The leaves have a bright red trim which add a flash of color to your home. 9. Weeping fig. Popular houseplants since the Victorian times, weeping figs can help to tackle levels of formaldehyde, xylene, and toluene. 10. Chinese evergreen. This tropical plant is proven to be an effective cleanser of formaldehyde and benzene, found in detergents and cosmetics. 11. Devil's ivy. Famed for its large, waxy leaves, the devil's ivy is perfect for keeping the air in your home clean. If you're not very good with taking care of plants, this one is brilliant to consider as it works well in most light conditions. 12. Kentia Palm. The beautiful Kentia Palm, also known as the thatch palm, is a species of flowering plant that comes from the palm family Ericaceae. Perfect for those who live in flats, they are incredibly resilient, elegant and air purifying. 13. Rubber plants. This hardy low-maintenance houseplant is one of the most popular, thanks to its striking look. A natural humidifier, a previous study found that it had been recommended by NASA as one of the best for cleansing the air. 14. Pineapple plant. A type of Bromeliad, pineapple plants create quite the statement in the home. With dramatic foliage and large leaves, these are known for purifying the air and removing harmful toxins. Ideal if you're looking to add a touch of the exotic to your interiors. 15. The Flamingo Lily. Perfect for adding a pop of color to your room, the Flamingo Lily is a great air purifying plant for beginners and city dwellers. As well as having salmon red, heart-shaped leaves, it's excellent at purifying the air. 16. Kimberly Queen Fern. With a shapely form and gracefully arching fronds, the Kimberly Queen Fern is perfect for the not-so-green-fingered as they don't require much care. Considered one of the most effective indoor air purifiers, they do exceedingly well when placed in low-light areas. 17. Bamboo Palm. Perfect for low-light conditions, the bamboo palm makes the perfect focal point in any living area. Its graceful, arching leaves make great all-around air cleaners, specifically famed for removing formaldehyde from the air. 18. Dracaena. This popular houseplant, which originates from forests in Africa, is one of the most effective houseplants in air purification. As well as keeping the air indoors fresh, it looks particularly striking when placed on a coffee table. 19. Peace Lily. A longtime favorite for houseplant lovers, the peace lily is one of the top air purifying plants as it can help filter out certain harmful compounds. If you do plan on adding this one to your plant collection, it's worth knowing that it is poisonous to cats and dogs. 20. Scarlet Star Bromeliad. With leathery leaves and a pop of color, the Scarlet Star Bromeliad is a beautiful houseplant that is incredibly long-lasting. As well as helping to clean up the air in your home, these flowering plants love humid environments and are great when placed in the bathroom. The right houseplant can add so much to your indoor environment, including beauty, healthier air and a bit of Zen decor. So don't worry if you haven't grown anything before, many of these plants are very suitable for beginners. Pick one, and as your confidence grows, you can start adding more plants to your home. Let us know how your indoor plant is growing. Until next time, happy healing. Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos.